Imagine perfectly grilled food year-round, any weather, without filling your home with smoke. This smokeless electric indoor grill makes it reality. Powered by 1700 watts, this stainless steel beauty delivers authentic BBQ flavor on your countertop. Removable non-stick plate makes grilling steaks to vegetables effortless. Clean up too. Just dishwasher it. What sets this apart? Advanced smokeless technology. All flavor and char marks of outdoor grilling without smoke alarms or kitchen odors. Even heat ensures perfect cooking every time. Portable design means grill anywhere. Apartments, small kitchens, dorms, friends' places. Electric griddle adds versatility for pancakes, eggs, sandwiches. Durable stainless steel looks sleek and lasts years. The 1700-watt power heats up fast and maintains consistent temperature for professional results. Whether cooking solo or entertaining, this handles everything with style. Perfect Christmas, housewarming gift, or for anyone loving great food without hassle. Ready to grill like a pro indoors? Link in description and comments below.